Hey there. One thing people often ask me, how do you stick to your Unicity balance discipline? How do you get that regimen even when you're traveling? Full discipline of taking something before the meal gets aborted? Well, here I am. I'm in Singapore and I just walked into a cafe and I'm going to show you what I do. So I settle down someplace and my camera down and ask for a glass of water. A glass of water, please. Yeah, thanks. Right. And then I have my trusty bag in which I've got my own glass. Now the good thing was that this guy got me a bottle of water, which is good because I carry my own glass. And inside the glass I carry my own sachet. Now what we're going to do is fill the glass, not entirely, but about that much. There we are. So that leaves enough space for us to open this pouch and put it in. And very easy to cut pouch. Whoop, that's it. And very easy to drop powder. That's it. Boom, boom, boom. It's all out. And then, because this is a nice airtight thing, my trusty old thing, it travels with me all over the world. You give it a good shake, and bingo, you're ready to drink. This, by the way, is what it looks like. It's a gel-like substance, and I have it about 5 minutes before my meal, so that once I start eating, whatever passes through gets absorbed by this plant-based gel, and all the carbohydrates and cholesterol are absorbed slowly in the intestines. Keeps me not feeling very hungry all through the day, and it makes sure that I don't have any spikes of sugar or cholesterol in my bloodstream.